Napaka-memorable sa akin itong Eastern Visayas dahil po ako ay nag-aral at lumaki din sa Eastern Visayas sa Borongan.
Wow, pleased to meet you again.
Yes, ma'am. Siyempre, pakilala natin ang ating napakagandang kasama, ma'am. Ang pangalan natin?
Hello po again. Thank you so much for that, Kuya Ron. Mabuhay once again to all our viewers right there. I am Juliana Maagot. You can call me Juliana. I'm a regional tour guide from, of course, Eastern Visayas.
And speaking of tour guide, I am also a tour guide here in Puerto Princesa.
Wow.
So nagkakaintindihan sa mga destination.
Kuya Ron, personally, I'm always happy kapag nakakamit ako ng mga tour guides from different places.
Wow, nice to meet you din. At isang it's my pleasure na makilala. Kaya bago tayo magtuloy-tuloy, isang congratulations sa ating dalawa. So ngayon, Ma'am Juliana.
Friendship yun, Kuya Ron, ha?
Yes. And then, ngayon, ang pagkakataon, ibida ang Eastern Visayas dito sa ating mga kaibigan sa Palawan and to other followers. Dahil meron tayong mga followers from other country.
Syempre, of course, thank you so much for this opportunity and this platform, Kuya Ron. Once again, to all of our viewers right there, mabuhay. We would really want to welcome you in our region, Region 8 Eastern Visayas. Of course, a lot of you might still ask, what is Eastern Visayas? And with that, it is just our honor, our pride to share to you what we have in Eastern Visayas. Now, if you would want to go on, if you think about diving, we have it in Eastern Visayas, and that is in Southern Leyte. For those who would want to go on mountaineering, yung mga mahilig po dyan, we have in the province of Biliran. For those who would want to try historical tours, go on island leisure trips, we have it in Leyte, we have it in Northern Summer, and of course, for those who would also want to try on surfing, have I mentioned surfing, we have it also in Region 8. And aside from that, we're also very rich in our culinary heritage. We have it there, the secret kitchens of summer, and it would really be an honor for us, and we would really be happy for you to try on what we are, ano po yung mga binibida namin in Region 8. And of course, again, we're also rich in our food delicacies, Kuya Ron.
Yes.
So all of those, all in one, makikita po in one region, and that is in Region 8 in Eastern Visayas.
Talaga namang infinite scapes po talaga. Ma'am Juliana, isa sa pinaka-popular na lugar, a historical place na pwede mong ipakilala pa dito sa Eastern Visayas na meron tayo. Yung destinations natin na sa tingin natin, isa sa mga destination na lagi natin dinadala.
Naku, Kuya Ron, when we speak about the historical sites and the markers that us Region 8 is known for, marami yan. Pero to name one of the many historical markers that we have, of course, when we talk about MacArthur Leyte Landing, that is of course in Leyte, Kalangaman Island, the Kuya, very pure white sand, the longest sandbar in the Philippines, as per record. And of course, aside from that, again, we're rich in our historical churches, you name it, for those mga Kuya Ron, gusto sa mga heritage na mga tours.
Kagiririsyuhi good la, no?
Again, mountaineering, surfing, any activities that you name it, we have it in Eastern Visayas. Because you mentioned earlier, Kuya, in Region 8, we are known for being the region. We position and branded Region 8 as the destination for infinite escapes, because ito po makikita lahat na one can experience escapes in this region. That's why we have it all in all, for you to have more reasons to love the Philippines and much more reasons to love Eastern Visayas.
Wow, talaga namang tourism ang destinations natin. At the same time, tour guide naman talaga.
Of course, thank you, Kuya Ron.
I'm hoping na sana makapunta rin ako sa Eastern Visayas. And it's also my chance din na makabisita at maipakita pa
right here.
yung mga destinations doon. Kasi alam mo, Miss Juliana, even though na lumaki ako doon sa Borongan, Eastern Samar, hindi rin talaga ako nagkaroon ng chance to have this explore more. Kasi talaga nung time na nandun ako sa Borongan, it's just aral, trabaho. By the way, just to tell you honestly, it's some kind of emotional thing na gusto kong magpasalamat sa mga kamag-anak ko I was a foster child. Foster parents ko is from Borongan, Eastern Samar. At gusto kong i-shout out yung aking nanay Nelly at si tatay Roberto Paroles. Sila po yung nagpalaki sa akin, even though they are not my biological parents, talagang pinalaki nila ako at pinakita ang Eastern Samar. Eto, Miss Juliana, marami ang nagsasabi dahil waray-waray daw, even here, matatapang. Maisog o matatapang. Ano ba yung magiging representation natin dyan sa sinasabi nilang waray ka, matapang?
Matapang. Now, in addition to that, counterpart with Kuya Ron speaking na, di ba po binalaki ka ng mga waray nun? Aside from all these places, all infinite experiences that you can try in our region, number one din po binibida namin is yung puso natin
Yes.
as waray nun, as late 10 years, because with that, we bring pride to the kind of person that we are. So, kapag sinasabi po nating waray nun, siguro sa tono lang natin yung matapang tayo. Pero kapag mas nakilala niyo po kami sa mga audience natin dyan, ako, mas masarap po magmahala ang mga waray nun, ang mga late 10 years.
Tama po. At dito naman po sa Puerto Princesa, yung klase naman na sinasabi naming matatapang din ang mga Puerto Princesa o ang Palawan, when we protect the place. Kapag, alam niyo po, minsan I know if someone of you know na there are some personalities or content creators that have been banned here in Palawan. Kasi, alam mo dito sa Palawan, ang mga tao dito talaga, ang mga Palawenyos ay nagkakaisa. Kapag ang isang lugar ay may mga temang, alam mo yung mga bisita, na hindi naging akma yung kanilang sinasabi, which is opposite na meron naman talaga dito, nagkakaisa even in just one municipality, magkakasama-sama lahat ng munisipyo ng Palawan from north to south, lahat yan ipagtatanggol. Katulad yan dito sa Eastern Samar.
We thank you again for welcoming us here. Napaka-warm welcome po ng mga tao dito sa Puerto Princesa and napaka-yaman din po ng lugar ninyo.
At very welcoming po, kahit po kayo makapasyal po kayo dito sa next time, open na open po ako, i-contact nyo lang po. At mga kaibigan natin sa Borongan, Eastern Samar, sa lahat man ng Eastern Visayas, na sana pag bumasyal kayo dito sa Palawan o sa Puerto Princesa, sana ay makasama nyo ako and I am happy to serve you as your tour guide dito sa Palawan or ng Puerto Princesa.
And
at ako
course,
naman,
once you welcome, once you visit
yan,
Visayas,
parang
andito din po kami ready always to welcome you.
Yeah.
And together, let's build infinite memories
Yes.
and experiences in Eastern
Visayas, and infinite friendship between Eastern
course.
Visayas, Mimaropa, and the whole region of the Philippines. Ayan.
Thank you so much, Kuya Ron.
Thank you so much. One last message para sa mga kaibigan nating mga Palawenyo to welcome you here in Eastern Visayas. I-welcome natin sila para bumisita.
Ayan, aside for all those mga binibida na po namin, my not last statement naman po, just
Yeah.
one last, another encouragement
Yes.
again. Marami pong nagsasabi, sometimes we can really say na underrated po yung region namin. But once you really visit Eastern Visayas, we are rich in culture, we are rich in natural biodiversity as well. At aside sa Puerto Princesa din po na meron kayo dito. And again, the people and the stories that we carry as Eastern Visayas.
Yes, the warmest welcome and friendly people of
We have
Eastern
many
Visayas.
stories to tell to the whole wide Philippines and to the whole country.
Yeah.
So once again, kita-kits po sa Eastern Visayas.
And again, I'm Kuya Rondeland. Maraming salamat and
This has been Juliana,
Yes.
again Eastern Visayas, and together we say,
mabuhay!
Mabuhay!
Ulitin natin.
and together we say,
Mabuhay!
You may say, Infinite Escapes,
Infinite escapes,
Eastern Visayas, and Eastern Visayas.
infinite escapes.
Bye!